Hi investors and traders, I'm Michael White from decisive.investing.com. Today I will tell you how to increase luck in trading and investing. But can you control your luck? Is it possible? And what does it mean luck in trading and investing? In this video, by luck, I mean taking more high profitable transactions. So do you think, can you increase your luck and take more these kind of transactions? Before I answer this question, I want to tell you about Richard Wiseman. He's a professor of psychology. He also investigated hundreds of examples of lucky and unlucky persons. For example, Steven, who bought a newspaper with a winning lottery ticket, but that day also 30,000 of other people won in that lottery and Steven got only a few pounds. In other contest, Steven won a large number of shares and bonds of a well-prospering company. Shortly, stock market collapsed and Steven's shares were almost worthless. Once, Steven hired a lawyer to his company to help him with the paperwork. During the first few months, everything was fine, but later, Steven started getting calls to pay his old bills. He discovered that his lawyer hadn't paid them but took money into his pocket. After that accident, Steven had a heart attack and became bankrupt. But Richard Wiseman found also positive examples, like Lee, who was a teenager, was almost grounded by the harrow, but fortunately he saved his life. Few years later, his dad asked him to help him with some difficult task. Lee didn't want to go with his father, but he felt that he should. And he was right, because he met his dream woman, got married, and became a happy husband. Moreover, Lee worked for 20 years in sales and marketing, and because of his successes, he became a manager of a big chain which sells toys. Wiseman discovered 4 factors which define if you are lucky or not. It's also important that these factors don't depend on your age, wealth or gender. They are absolutely under your control, so you can also become a lucky person. Moreover, one of these factors is strictly connected with trading and investing. Wiseman found that your luck depends on the way that you perceive unlucky accidents in your life. In fact, if you want to be a lucky person, then after an extremely unlucky accident, you should be happy that it could be worse. How does it work? If you want to succeed in something, then at the beginning, or even later, you have to deal with many obstacles. If you are sad or depressed after making a failure, then you are less effective, don't take all chances that you have, or even give up. But on the other hand, if you accept your failures because you know that it could be worse, then it's easy for you to be focused on your goal and achieve it. Do you see that it's strictly connected with trading and investing? If you are sad or depressed after taking a loss, then it's hard for you to stick to your plan. But on the other hand, if you are happy despite your losses because you know that it could be worse, then it's easy for you to be focused on your strategy and follow it. How to take advantage of it in trading and investing? Imagine few bad scenarios that may happen to you. For example, you miss a very profitable transaction, you take a big loss, you blow your account. Now, find a reason to be happy despite these scenarios. You miss a very profitable transaction, but it could be a loss. You take a big loss, but you could blow your account. You blow your account, but you could lose even more. How to take advantage of it? First, monitor your progress on a paper. By progress I mean how often you find a reason to be happy despite bad scenario, and how does it affect your financial results. After some time, you will be happy despite bad scenarios, be more focused on your goal and achieve it. That's all, but if you want to get some more knowledge, then just visit my website and get free report about trading and investment psychology. I'm sure that you will find it useful and get value from it. Have a nice day. I hope that you enjoyed today's video.